Unlimited fam, Big Dave coming back at you. Hey, today I want to talk a little bit about perspective in life. What does that mean? Well, look, if you have the right perspective in life, everything seems so less challenging, you know? Like even the big things that you encounter in life, you can tend to overcome with less challenge, with less effort. So I'm gonna give you 3 pointers on how to improve your perspective in life. But first, another beautiful, beautiful tour of Kalamata, Greece. This never gets old, I tell you. Greece, look at the mountain. This is my favorite thing, the mountain and the water. I tell you, I've said that in other videos, my absolute favorite thing. So anyways, let's talk about 3 things that you can do to really improve your perspective and why it's important, all right? First, why having a different perspective or a positive perspective, a glass half full instead of a glass half empty perspective in life, why is that important? Look, the one thing that is a constant is we're going to experience things in life. We really have no choice over what happens to us in life. That's just a fact. People get sick, people die, people lose their jobs, people get robbed, people crash their car. It's 100% true. That's the one narrative that I can tell you is absolutely true, is things happen to all of us in life. No matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, no matter how good looking you are, no matter how bad looking you are, things happen. How you deal with those things really makes a huge difference. And I want to give you the first tip, all right? The first tip in having a positive mindset, having a positive perspective, and that's train yourself to smile, all right? So get up in the morning. Here's a suggestion. Get up in the morning and smile. Just smile. No, really. Smiling really does a huge difference in the way you just tackle your day. So if the first thing you do is smile at yourself, as goofy, as silly as that is, you get up in the morning and you shower, you get out the shower, you look in the mirror and you go, so smiling can really help you start your day on the right track and keep that positive perspective, that positive mindset throughout the day. All right, fam, the second thing I want you to do is acknowledge the negative, but focus on the positive, okay? So if you lose your job, and that's negative. That's a negative thing in life. That is going to be a stressful time. There are going to be some challenges to overcome, but the positive to losing your job is you can find another one. You can go to school. It may force you out of the box that you're in order to accomplish something bigger and better in life, okay? Another example, if you, say for instance, get cut off by somebody on the way to work and you're like, what the, and you get frustrated, it's negative because you got frustrated, somebody cut you off. But the positive from that is you can learn how to control your emotions and your anger better through that one experience. You get what I'm saying? You can take something from that one experience and turn it into a positive. So acknowledge the negative. Negative things happen, but you can focus on the positive. All right, the third thing, guys, is surrounding yourself with the right people and the right things, all right? The right people, that being people with a positive mindset, with the positivity that you can draw from when you need to draw from it, and that you can give to when they need positivity in their life. So it's really important to have positive people around you to be able to share that energy, because look, the truth is the energy that you have is shared, and the energy that you surround yourself with is shared. So I guarantee you, the most negative people that you will meet in life will surround themselves with other negative people. And the most positive people that you meet in life will share their experiences, their surroundings, their environment with positive people. So surround yourself with positive people and positivity. And when I say positive things, look, if you wake up in the morning and the first thing you do is kind of YouTube video, best look, if the first thing you do every morning is surround yourself with negative things, for example, if you turn on the news and you listen to all this stuff going on that's negative all the time in the news, and there typically isn't anything positive in the news. I listen to the news every day, I do, but I try to make sure that that's not the first thing that I do every morning, okay? I'll listen to something motivational, I'm listening to something more positive, or some good music that I enjoy, but I want to make sure that I start my day out with a positive note, not with a negative note. And surrounding yourself not only in the morning, but for example, if your house is cluttered and it's a mess all over the place, and this is something that you're not happy with, but you keep it like this because you just haven't focused enough energy, enough time into fixing it, that's a negative, and that matters. Like, you surrounding yourself with that environment matters. So ensure that you set yourself up, your environment up, to be comfortable, to be positive, to create a positive energy in your life, not a negative energy in your life, okay? All right, guys, I hope that helps. I sincerely hope that someone watches this and they say, you know what, man, I've been thinking about doing this and I'm going to now, all right? That's the purpose of these videos. All right, guys, peace.